Okay, we're at week 14, I think. Not that it really matters because this house is pretty much in its final stages, and I don't plan on making another one of these videos until I move in, if at all. Obviously, the entire yard is in with the exception of the grass. Trees, plants, rocks, fence, you name it. Gonna go in and nice red front door just got painted yesterday. I'd say at this point it's about 98% done. Fully carpeted. The painters came back yesterday and did their final touch-up. I've still found a few little spots here and there, but that'll all be covered in the final walkthrough that I do. Bathroom complete. Got the appliances in the garage, just waiting to go in. So the exception of them and a couple little small details, this kitchen is done. The granite and the backsplash turned out amazingly well. I'm very happy with it. Also, no grass in the backyard. Got the fully finished fireplace, living room, kitchen. Ceiling fan. Got the in-law suite. Done. Now that I have lights, I can actually show this room. Just have to find them. So, here we have me. Completed bathroom. Fully tiled. Got the closet right here. Full walk-in. Ready for guests. Another ceiling fan. Go ahead and head upstairs. Got the full banister and railing in. Looks really good. They just finished the carpet about 2 days ago. Did the whole house in about a day and a half, which is pretty quick as far as I know. Bedroom with a walk-in closet. Other bedroom is the same thing. Got the bathroom here. The bar is just about done. They tiled it last night. The sink just needs to be installed. It's just sitting in the hole. Entertainment wall. Just need to have the speakers installed in here, and that'll be just about done. The Easter egg purple laundry room. Thanks again, Lindsay. Actually, it's my fault. She wanted pink. I settled with purple for some weird reason. Bedroom. Master bedroom. Actually. Got the full little mini entertainment wall. Pretty much a complete bathroom. Got the interesting little blue, aqua blue backsplash. Eventually gonna replace that countertop with tile or maybe granite. The Ninja suite complete. Just needs roll of toilet paper. And the master closet. A little shoe rack over here. Got one set of bars and then a little storage area, some more over there. So that's the house. It's just about done, and thank you for following the progress all these weeks as this house has gone from nothing to what it is now. So to anybody watching this video, look forward to you coming to visit and seeing it for yourself. That's it.